Hi guys and girls, back with another video of AJ Phoenix unboxings. So, this is none other than Until Dawn, the remake for PS5. Now, this will be, when I do play this will be the third time I play it on the channel. And then I'm never ever gonna play it on the channel again. But what I do know is that with the remake there's so many different things in it, as well as all the original stuff, and the cast that played the characters are a lot older, but they've managed to keep them as they were in the original, if that makes sense. So I'm going to unbox it, obviously show you the back, lots of can, show you the front. Let's get into it. And kids, if you ever do any cutting, always get your parents to do the cutting so you don't hurt yourself. The last thing you want to be doing is hurting yourself on Christmas Day. So I'm doing all these videos all for Christmas Day. Oh, silly thing. So, what do we have here? Okay. Before using this product, please visit the setting menu on your PlayStation console for important health and safety. What would I want to do that for? This case may include recycling materials. That's nice. So, that's inside. You've got like the globy type thing with all the people in it, and you got the disc. So, yeah, that's what it had. Look at that. I was like, what the hell? So, that is Until Dawn, the PS5, and with this, if it's very similar, I would able to do what I did in the original. Say, like basically like a walkthrough, like don't do this because this will happen. If you do this, this will happen. And that's what I'm going to do in this if I can. So, I really hope you enjoyed. If you have, I know it's short. These are short, really. Hope you all out there, my Phoenix family, have had an amazing Christmas. And yes, and I'd love to see what you guys have got for Christmas. That's what I'd love to see. And yes, I'm off. So, stay safe, keep safe, always look after your friends and family. Take care. Merry Christmas, guys. See you in the next video.
You find me in the furnace.